What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Doing It with Jason and Brad. Today, Brad and I are going to show you how to hang a door in the inside of your home. High five, Brad. So now, if this is your first time watching one of Brad I's videos, be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell. Heck, you'll get notified next time we have a video. It's super. Alright, Brad, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to want to take measurements of our opening. Hey, Brad, do you mind holding the other end of this tape measure for me? Brad? Brad, snap out of it. Snap out of it, Brad. Okay, so we got a left and right measurement, and now we measure the height of the door opening. Now we have carpet, so we want to make sure to take off a little bit more for clearance, and a little bit of clearance going this way too. Let's go cut it in the shop. Well then, next up we hang the door. I love having Brad around because he always gives me a hand. So Brad always makes it a little easier when I screw the door to the frame. Hey Brad, give me a hand real quick. Brad? Brad? Well, I'm guessing we won't be seeing Brad for a little bit, so I found a way to have it held on its own. What I did was I used a clamp. I clamped it on the bottom, and then I can adjust and shim it to the right height to help me hold it. Now I'm ready to screw it. And there you have it, folks. All done. One door installed. Brad on a date. Can't bother him any longer. But next time, maybe Brad and I will put on a handle. Who knows? 6 years from now? Tomorrow? We'll see. See you later, everyone.